Hello, this is Storm Productions, or you can call me Wildstorm because that's my middle name and artist name. Today I will be teaching you how to make a very simple and silly kitty beat. I am using Logic Pro, but this tutorial is so simple it will help you out with any software you want to use. Alright, first you're going to get your audio sample from either recording your own or downloading something off of the internet. Here you can see me just selecting the first meow that I recorded from my human voice. Here is what the sample I recorded sounds like. After that we are going to cut the audio and line it up on beat. Once you have it placed how you want it, run it through some auto-tune to make sure that your vocal matches the root note you're going to use for your song. Next we are going to make some really basic drums to give our song some basic rhythm. You want to have in mind your purpose for the song when finding the sounds for your drums. Sound selection is very important, however this is just a tutorial so I am going with something basic. Structure your drums around the genre of your choice. I am going for something that has a pop structure. Next you can see me editing how my original meow sounds. Adding reverb and also distortion just because. I am also going to add another meow. Make sure to go through the same procedure of tuning your audio or else the waveforms of your audio will not match with the rest of the instruments harmonically, which means the waveforms will be interrupted. Next I am adding my first instrument. When adding instruments I like to go for at least 3 or 4 different ones so my song has lots of variation. This first instrument will be a high-end pluck playing a basic melody. This is very important for giving your song the musical structure it needs. Remember to figure out the scale you want to produce in and stick to it with each instrument. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I recommend doing some reading into musical theory. For my next instrument I guess I'm going to be making a mid-range pluck to fill out the body of the sound. Then I am going to add a bass instrument. Now we are almost done. It is time to extend your work and make it into a full-length song. Extend each section out and add variation with instruments coming in and out as you would like. This will make the song less boring and give it a structure. Here is what my song looks like now that it's quote-unquote done. I know it's not a hit, but hey, this was all for fun. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Make sure to search Storm Productions and watch as many videos as humanly possible.